Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss another important compute service of AWS, and that is Lambda function. Our agenda of this video, we will first cover serverless computing because Lambda is a serverless computing service of AWS. And then we'll discuss what is AWS Lambda and their workflow. After that, we'll cover why Lambda is useful and what make it so popular. And at last, I'll show you the important questions which you can learn and prepare for your interview. Let's start understanding serverless computing. Serverless computing is a cloud computing execution model in which the cloud service provider allocate resources on demand, taking care of the servers on behalf of their customer. So it is a type of cloud computing execution model in which on our demand, the cloud service providers are taking care of the servers and they also manage the infrastructure. So there is no infrastructure management for us, and it also provides a feature of auto scaling, means as per demand of our workload it will automatically scales up and down within second. So we'll not have to manage the storage memory. This will automatically scale up and down as per our workload demand. And this is also cost effective because there is no charge for idle time. This means the service is available for 24 hours, but you only have to pay for how long you use that service. And this serverless computing is very helpful for developers. They just only write and deploy code, while a cloud service provider is taking care of servers to run their application, database, and storage systems. What is AWS Lambda? Lambda is a compute service of AWS, a service that allows us to run our own code in AWS. And the purpose of launching Lambda is to run and deploy code without worrying about servers. Maybe any one of you hosted any web application, or we can say any backend code where you manage servers, their updation, security, maintenance. But using Lambda, you will not have to worry about these things. And we use Lambda as a function. So what is function first? A function is a block of code which is used to perform some task. And a function is only run when we invoke or call a function. So here, same Lambda works. It only runs when Lambda function triggers or invoked. Now let's discuss Lambda workflow. It just have three steps. First, create a function. Second, write and deploy your code. And these are the languages like Java, Python, Go, C Sharp, Ruby, Node.js, and PowerShell that Lambda support. And in step 3, run your function. So these are the three steps you will have to follow to create and execute your Lambda function. But there are many ways to invoke the Lambda function, which you can see in my upcoming videos. Now the question is why we use AWS Lambda and what make it more popular. So the important feature that Lambda provides, there is no server to manage. Means you will not have to worry about hardware focused individuals that maintain your data centers. The next big reason which make Lambda more popular is auto scaling. Lambda automatically scales up and down in second to match the workload demand. And it is more efficient use of resource because you only have to pay for what you use. And in case of Lambda, the service is available for 24 into 7, but you only have to pay when your function is invoked. This save a lot of money. And in terms of performance, Lambda is very fast. It's give you faster time to market and you deliver more functionality in less time. And the other important feature of Lambda is service integration. You can easily integrate service like DynamoDB, S3, SNS to perform interesting event-driven processing using Lambda. And in last, it is very easy to use. It make your life simpler. You can easily understand and monitor Lambda function. So these all are the features that make Lambda more popular and useful resource. Here are the major companies using AWS Lambda function: Coca-Cola, Autodesk, Netflix, Finder, Financial Engines, and Nelson. Now move to the important questions. These are my Lambda important questions, which help you for your interview preparation. And if you want to download it, just go to my Instagram page. The link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.